Hi, I'm B, and in this video, we will learn 70 idioms. First, let's start with what is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase with a special meaning. The meaning is different from the literal words. Example, it's raining cats and dogs. It does not mean cats and dogs are falling from the sky. It means it's raining very hard, so you should never translate idioms directly to your native language. Why do we even use idioms? There are a few reasons. They save time. One short phrase can mean a longer idea. They make speech more colorful and fun. They help people sound natural and fluent. They show shared culture. People recognize the same phrases. They can be more polite than direct words. They are easy to remember, so they spread. One last thing. Some idioms are only in American English and some only in British English. I think that's it. Let's learn 70 idioms. Break the ice. It means to make people feel more relaxed at the start.
I told a small joke to break the ice.
Once in a blue moon. It means very rarely.
I eat fast food once in a blue moon.
A piece of cake, it means very easy.
That test was a piece of cake.
Cost an arm and a leg. It means very expensive.
This jacket costs an arm and a leg.
Under the weather. It means you feel a little sick.
I'm under the weather, so I'm staying home.
On edge. It means nervous or tense.
I'm on edge before the interview.
Over the moon. It means very happy.
I'm over the moon about the news.
Down in the dumps. It means sad.
He's down in the dumps today.
Blow off steam. It means to release stress.
I go to the gym to blow off steam.
Get cold feet. It means you suddenly feel afraid and want to stop.
She got cold feet and cancelled the trip.
A weight off my shoulders. It means you feel big relief.
When I finished, it was a weight off my shoulders.
On the same page. It means you agree or understand the same thing.
Let's make sure we're on the same page.
Give me a hand. It means help me.
Can you give me a hand with this box?
Spill the beans. It means to reveal a secret.
Who told you? Come on, spill the beans.
Hit the nail on the head. It means you are exactly right.
That's it. You hit the nail on the head.
Bite the bullet. It means do something hard that you don't want to do.
I hate dentists, but I'll bite the bullet and go.
Cut to the chase. It means get to the main point.
Cut to the chase. What do you want?
Call it a day. It means stop working for today.
It's late. Let's call it a day.
Back to the drawing board. It means start again with a new plan.
That idea failed. Back to the drawing board.
Get the ball rolling. It means start something.
Let's get the ball rolling and begin.
Learn the ropes. It means learn the basics of a new job or task.
I'm new here, still learning the ropes.
Burn the midnight oil. It means work or study late at night.
I burned the midnight oil to finish the project.
Pull someone's leg. It means joke or tease someone.
I'm not serious. I'm just pulling your leg.
The ball is in your court. It means it's your turn to decide or act.
I sent the offer. Now the ball is in your court.
Beat around the bush. It means avoid saying something directly.
Stop beating around the bush. Say it.
A blessing in disguise. It means something bad that turns out good.
Losing that job was a blessing in disguise.
When pigs fly, it means never.
He'll clean his room when pigs fly.
Let the cat out of the bag. It means reveal a secret by accident.
She let the cat out of the bag about the surprise.
Hit the sack. It means go to sleep.
I'm tired. I'm going to hit the sack.
On cloud nine, it means very happy.
She's on cloud nine after the good news.
Go the extra mile. It means do more than is expected.
She always goes the extra mile for customers.
Throw in the towel. It means give up.
It's hard, but don't throw in the towel.
Bite off more than you can chew. It means take on too much.
I said yes to everything. I bit off more than I can chew.
Add fuel to the fire. It means make a bad situation worse.
Don't argue now. You're adding fuel to the fire.
Speak of the devil. It means the person you talked about just appeared.
Speak of the devil. We were just talking about you.
A dime a dozen. It means very common, not special.
Cheap headphones are a dime a dozen.
Break the bank. It means cost too much.
I want a vacation that won't break the bank.
Make ends meet. It means have enough money to live.
It's hard to make ends meet right now.
An eye for an eye. It means revenge.
He believes in an eye for an eye.
In hot water. It means in trouble.
He's in hot water with his boss.
Out of the woods. It means safe after danger.
The test looks good, but we're not out of the woods yet.
In the same boat. It means in the same situation.
Don't worry, we're in the same boat.
Out of the blue. It means suddenly, unexpectedly.
She called me out of the blue.
Around the corner. It means coming soon.
The weekend is around the corner.
In a nutshell, it means in a short, simple way.
In a nutshell, the plan is to save money.
Take it with a grain of salt. It means don't fully believe it.
He exaggerates. Take it with a grain of salt.
Read between the lines. It means understand the hidden meaning.
She said yes, but read between the lines.
Jump to conclusions. It means assume too quickly.
Don't jump to conclusions. Wait for facts.
Think outside the box. It means think creatively.
We need to think outside the box here.
Put all your eggs in one basket. It means risk everything on one plan.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Kill two birds with one stone. It means do two things with one action.
I'll shop and pick up the package. Kill two birds with one stone.
Miss the boat. It means miss a chance.
If you wait, you'll miss the boat.
Bark up the wrong tree. It means blame or accuse the wrong person.
If you think it was me, you're barking up the wrong tree.
The tip of the iceberg. It means a small part of a bigger problem.
This is just the tip of the iceberg.
A storm in a teacup. It means a big reaction to a small problem.
It's not serious. It's a storm in a teacup.
Throw someone under the bus. It means blame someone to save yourself.
He threw me under the bus in the meeting.
Hit the ground running. It means start fast and strong.
On day one, I hit the ground running.
Raise the bar. It means make the standard higher.
This update really raised the bar.
Go down in flames. It means fail badly.
My first presentation went down in flames.
Cry over spilled milk. It means be upset about the past when you can't change it.
It happened. Don't cry over spilled milk.
Cross that bridge when we come to it. It means deal with a problem later.
We don't know yet. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
Burn bridges. It means damage a relationship permanently.
Don't burn bridges when you quit a job.
A red flag. It means a warning sign.
He lies a lot. That's a red flag.
Turn a blind eye. It means ignore something on purpose.
The manager turned a blind eye to the problem.
Pull strings. It means use connections to get something.
He pulled strings to get the tickets.
Off the hook. It means free from responsibility or blame.
Don't worry, you're off the hook.
On thin ice. It means close to getting in trouble.
You're on thin ice after that mistake.
Keep your chin up. It means stay positive.
Keep your chin up. It will get better.
Break a leg. It means good luck.
You have a big performance tonight. Break a leg.
Under my thumb. It means under someone's control or influence.
He thinks he has the whole team under his thumb.
If you want to practice your speaking skills, download the Be Speaker app from the link in the description. With this app, you simply repeat after the teachers and learn to speak from the very first lesson. Download now. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what other videos should we make. Bye!